Accessible web.
Accessible websites don't have to be boring. That is totally made up. Someone made that up years ago and said if you want your site to be accessible, it has to be boring. Boring websites tend to be accessible. That's where that came from, and it's true. But it doesn't have to be boring if it's accessible. It just needs to be coded correctly and needs to be thoughtful as far as how information is being communicated. That's all that matters.
Yeah. I mean, I think that's such a key piece is for it to be thoughtful. Like for good and bad, the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, they don't give a lot of hard rules of it has to be designed this way or it has to function this way. It's a lot of if it's doing this, it must also do this, or it must also have this available, or it has to do this. So which right can be frustrating because sometimes it's like I wish they would just give the answer and then I know whether this is yes or no, this is meeting the requirements. But I think the intention and the other side of that is that there is room for creativity and innovation. It can be really exciting to take a cool, interesting thing and figure out and like also then be thinking about it with the accessibility perspective,
Hmm.
which then is just going to be a better product at the end. It's going to work better for all of your users. All users experience more flexibility and can complete the form, do the thing in the way that makes the most sense to them. So it can be really exciting too. And that's the thing I would love to like to build more is to like, let's make, I'm never going to say someone has to feel a certain way by the information they receive, but would love to help people transition that panic into excitement about like problem solving also creates opportunities, which can be very, very cool.
Hmm. I really like it's something that we've said for many years here at Accessible Web is making a website accessible just makes the experience better for everybody. It's
Mhm.
not just a subset of people, it's everybody.